show you how to find your Wi-Fi password without using any software or any application. First, as you can see, there is like a bar. This one. This is your Wi-Fi connection. Then just put your cursor here, then right mouse click, then open network and sharing center. This one. Just press your mouse button, and here you can see internet connection. So this is the link A97 here, this one. So just click this one, then what is the password? Look here, it's showing few characters. So just check this one. Automatically your security key will show. Look, so this is our password, or this is your Wi-Fi password. This is it. Thank you and God bless.